Hey everybody, what's up? So we're out at the garage. We always love to be in the garage, right? I mean, come on. Anyway, I want to tell you guys about some plans we've got coming up. Something exciting, some more content for the channel. And those of you that like the old truck stuff, stick around for what's coming up, because we went out this weekend and we found a project and it's going to be exciting. I want to show you guys what's happening with it. Here's the situation though. I just want to be upfront. We went out and got us a project truck, but we didn't just get one project truck. We got two. And this is going to be exciting. I'm excited about both of them. And we're going to take you guys for a walk around both of these trucks and let you guys check them out. This will be a lot of fun. There's some really cool things we're going to do to them. And it will be fun to clean them up and make them, kind of our own, and just bring them back to life so that we can get out and enjoy them. Maybe take them on some cruises, get them out to some cruise nights, and show you guys how we can clean these things up, keep these things on the road. That's important. Keep this history alive. So, hold up, wait a sec. I forgot to tell you. I need to show you guys what we've been doing for the last 6 hours. Leading up to this moment right here where I'm about to show you these trucks. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm excited. We're taking a 3-hour road trip up to Jerome, Idaho. Jerome, what's up? We're hoping that this will turn into a new project. We're going up to look at an old truck. It's been a while since we've done some old truck content. And if this works out, we'll have a lot more videos coming related to that. So I'm excited to kind of share our adventures with you guys. It's Sunday morning. Weather looks questionable. And we have a long drive ahead of us. So we'll get some footage of this long, boring drive. And once we get up there, we'll do a walk around of the truck, check it out, and fingers crossed, we'll be bringing it home and we can start enjoying it. So stick with us. I'm excited. We'll catch up with you maybe in about 3 hours. All right, everybody.
Turn left onto West 70 North, then arrive at your destination.
It is 3 hours later, and we are pulling up to the truck, so we'll get to go check it out. I'm excited.
Arrive at your destination.
started it since, I don't know, last week. Yeah, we had rain this morning.
Yeah.
No, I was on the phone for almost 45 minutes this morning. I got the total pedigree of this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, from actually knew where it was bought, Union Motors, his dad, how the dents got in it, right down to everything.
story.
Yeah, and
That's cool.
and actually, I can call myself the third owner because it went through an estate and was auctioned off when his dad died. He wouldn't get it. So no, I got so much on it. It was a 6-cylinder, 4-speed truck, and now it's not. It's right.
Come here. Go over here out of the way.
Yeah. All right, here we are. 67 F100. Go check it out. All right. F100. Looks like it had the original hooks right here. We'll find those, get some more of those put back on. The original bumper. Look at that, no place for even license plate lights on this thing. Didn't even have reflectors. They weren't required to have reflectors back then. Spare tire holder right there, love. We'll have to get one of those mounted back up there.
You can test drive it first though.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The original numbers matching 352. Not the original air cleaner, of course, but it's got the original jack. The old Ford Motor Company washer fluid bag. Just old school, simple. I love it. Heck yeah. Nice and dry under there still. Nice and cleaned up. He's got paperwork for a nice rebuilt transmission. Look at that. Still shuts like you just bought it. The big old West Coast mirrors. I love it. Big old elephant ears on that thing. It's got the old carpet still. It's pretty rotted away, but the floor is great. This is a really clean truck, very minimal rust. So we'll get a new carpet kit. This seat isn't perfect, but I've seen much worse. This thing's sat in a shed for a lot of its time. So the old headliner, pretty warped. We'll get a new one. Clean that up, get a new rear light. It's got the original steering wheel, the beauty ring on there for the horn. It's the Ranger package over there. The original radio, ashtray, gauges. All the knobs are there. in the cab tank. Needs a new sending unit. The other tank back here is disconnected. Pretty common in a lot of these old trucks, but that's where the knob would go for that other tank in the back. They've disconnected that. And so there's some parts in here for that tank. I like it. Walk around to the other side. Nice metal doors, levers, only for 67. After 68 and on, they went to totally different handles in there. Dash is cracked. Clean all that up. The old gun rack. Very cool. First drive. This will be fun to clean this thing up.
And choke if it's cold.
Yeah. Reminds me of our 69. Cold. So far, I like it. Cool old truck. It'll be fun to work on. It's got, its quirks just like any old truck, but I like that about it. This will be fun. Gotta get some brake work done, get an alignment. Couple of those older trucks that we've had, when we first started them up, they ran cold, man. You had to let them warm up. This one's no different. Feel it. It's getting better and better as it gets warm. All right, voyage home. 3-hour drive, get that truck delivered. Delivery in progress.
Turn right onto North 100 West.
let's go walk around the trucks and check them out. So first things first, this is our new to us 86 bullnose project. And it's, of course, as you can tell, it's an 86 F250. It's the XLT. And it's got a lot of potential, really good bones. I think we're gonna be able to make this one look fantastic when it's done. I can't wait to see the before and afters. It's gonna be a little ways down the road, so be patient, but we'll bring you along and let you see the little things we do to it, add our own touch and spice it up a little. But I wanna take you guys for a walk around. This is my first walk around outside of when I bought it yesterday. And I just wanna kind of show you what we're seeing, some of the things we're gonna change, and we can talk about it as we're walking around. But let's just look up close. Obviously, you guys can see this paint is really faded. And you guys can tell it's gonna need some cleanup on the paint side of things. So we definitely wanna get into that. And we're gonna clear coat it. We'll wet sand it and clear coat it. The wheels, as you can see, I love these old school steel wheels and the hubcap look, but we're gonna paint those. We're gonna sand them and paint them, get them freshened up. And we'll go through, clean up, you know, it's got a bunch of this surface rust all around it. You guys can see, that will all be gone. We're gonna take all of that off. See all of those? Not into the too distant future, that will all be gone. Let's walk around it, continue the walk around. So, ooh, what happened there? Well, that's not the original tailgate. The guy we bought it from said it used to have a hitch in the bed for pulling a big old trailer, and so the tailgate is missing. But we're gonna paint it, and it will paint it to kind of match that. It should look pretty close to that when we're done. Got the original bumper, it's not all twisted up. Again, you can see these are all dinged up. We got some new ones coming. We're gonna clean those up. This had a big old camper shell on it, which is right over there. And I couldn't wait. Last night, as soon as I got home, I took it off because I do not want the camper shell. I'll insert a picture here so you guys can see what it looked like when we drove it home last night. But again, look how straight that body is. Nice and clean. I mean, this is gonna be a good project. Another beat up hubcap. Again, we got a new one coming. Clean that up. The grill's nice and solid. Love it. So let's go ahead and take a look inside, show you what we're working with. So right here, we got these door panels and they are crusty. Look at that. Ew. Well, as you guys been around and remember our 82 bullnose, we were able to revive those with a secret trick. Those of you that are new, stick around and we'll show you what we do to it. And we'll bring it back to life. The dash isn't that bad, actually. It's just this one crack and that speaker grill is caved in. You can see the head or the visors are sagging. So we're gonna have to fix that. It's the cool extended cab. That seat actually folds up and it's in great shape. And this seat, the original seat, looks to be in really good shape, except right over there, I'll open that door in a minute, it's got a big tear. We're gonna clean up these carpets. They're actually in really good shape as well. You guys can see a part here. This goes on the steering column there. We got to pull that off and fix the turn signal levers. Those of you that know these old trucks, sometimes those turn signals go bad. and you got to put a new switch in there. So of course it's the Lariat package, which is, back then it was the top of the line. But man, that thing is cleaned up. That is a good, solid bones truck. So right there is our problem. So we'll have to get a new seat cover. We're gonna try and fix these. We definitely got to do some homework on those guys. They're crusty. So we'll see if we can save them. If not, we may have to get some new door panels, but we'll see how that goes. You can kind of see just a little bit of dirt. That's what we like to do. We like to fix stuff, clean it up. So we'll figure out how to do it. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. The headliner, thank goodness, is in really good shape for the most part. So we're gonna put some elbow grease into this guy. Steering wheel's solid. This thing has the 460, real big motor, eats the gas. You don't want to pass up a gas station with this thing. Stop and get some, because you'll probably need it. All right. So let's go in and look at this one. This little gem here, this is a 67 F100, and it is pretty much all original. Looks really good. I'll take you in. We got some work to do with it as well. It'll be fun to bring it back to life. Let's go show you what we got. Upon first inspection, the hood's actually pretty shiny. I don't know if they've just buffed it out, or maybe they put some of that Poppy's patina on it or something. Big old West Coast style mirrors. Love that. The body's nice and straight. Just like some surface rust going on. We'll clean that up. But I'm pretty sure we're just gonna wet sand this and clear coat it after we're done with everything that we're gonna do. We'll get some new trim across here. It's 3 different pieces. We'll probably get a nice new chrome surround that goes around the handle. And I'll sand that bumper, but I want to keep that patina. And same with the bed. We're gonna clear coat that pretty much right where it is. And it's got the room for the spare tire. We can round one of those up, we'll get it mounted, because I love that look. So as you can see, 67, it had the Ranger package option, which is a lot of cosmetic stuff. Again, the other side of the mirror, just original. Thing that's not original is these wheels. Not quite sure yet what we're going to do about that, but preferably I'd like to maybe go back to the steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps on them. That's my favorite look. So anyway, let's look at this. You can see original paint. That's the second gas tank. It's disconnected right now, so it's just running off of that front gas tank. We're gonna have to put a new gasket around that. You can see that's all cracked and worn out. Get it opened up inside. Beautiful red paint. You can see back in 67, that was the only year that it had that handle to lock and unlock and open the door. They switched following into 68. They had the pop-up door locks that go back there that raise up and down. 67, you can see they're not there. So then has all the original heating controls, those 3 knobs, those disappeared in 68, and has the original radio there, which I love. And the little ashtray, you can see it's the Ranger package over there. It's got this headliner in it. It's pretty old and crusty. Probably gonna have to rip that out. We're gonna put in a new one. We'll see what it looks like under there. And who knows, maybe it'll be nice and shiny. Then it's gonna need a set of new visors. Those are falling apart. And you can see that chrome's pretty pitted, but we've had pretty good luck reviving it, so maybe we can shine that back up. We'll see. That dash is really bad, old and cracked. We're not sure if we're gonna put a new dash pad on it or even just remove it, see what it looks like under there. The original gauge cluster there is still pretty clear. Usually they are pretty foggy. That still looks pretty decent. All the knobs you can see are still there. That looks good. That carpet is trashed. We're gonna get a new carpet kit. And the seat actually doesn't look too bad. I think it was recovered about 8 years ago. And it's kind of getting crusty there on top. Probably get a new seat cover for it. So you look behind, you can see the in-cab gas tank. And that's the only tank that it's running off. It needs a new sending unit. So we're gonna have to get a new one of those put in. It's not reading on the fuel gauge. So we may go ahead and get us a new mirror as well. It's kind of pitted. We'll see how well we can clean it up first, but may end up doing a new one. So anyway, you can see it had the original hooks down there. Those are all missing. We need 4 of those. We'll find some of those and get those put back on. And yeah, this is a good looking truck, man. I'm excited. All right, that's it for the walk around today. I just wanted to introduce you to these 2 new trucks and give you an idea of what's to come. And hopefully you guys enjoy watching the videos we put out and kind of see the changes we make to them and bring them back to life, get them back on the road and get them out to some maybe cruise nights and whatnot, and just enjoy them. These are great old trucks. They're real simple to work on, and there's a lot of parts available for them. So if you guys are interested in this stuff, watch what we're gonna do. Maybe you can learn how to do it yourself and get out and get you one while there's still some available, because they're becoming harder and harder to find, at least in a decent condition where you're not gonna kill yourself, break the bank trying to get them going again. So we got lucky and we found 2 of them in one weekend and picked them up, stole them, hurried and brought them home. And that way we can start doing stuff to them. Okay, that's it. I'm done. That's it. That went really fast. So I'll catch up with you guys in another video, hopefully coming pretty soon. We're gonna get ordering some stuff. We're gonna go around and make a parts list, fired up a catalog and get it ordered. So we'll see you guys on the next one.